The Supreme Court of India, in a landmark judgment in 2017, declared that the right to privacy is a fundamental right guaranteed to every Indian citizen under Article 21 of the Constitution. This decision came in the case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Ret. V.S. Union of India. Case number. Writ Petition, Civil, number 494 of 2012. Date of judgment, August 24, 2017. Bench. A 9-judge Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court of India. Background. The case arose from a challenge to the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar scheme, the Indian government's unique identification project. The petitioners argued that the compulsory collection and sharing of biometric and personal data under the scheme violated the fundamental right to privacy. The government, on the other hand, argued that the Constitution did not explicitly guarantee a right to privacy. This led to a central legal question. Is the right to privacy a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? To resolve this, a 9-judge bench was formed to reconsider previous conflicting judgments on the matter, specifically the cases of MP. Sharma vs. Satish Chandra, 1954, and Kharak Singh vs. State of UP, 1962, which had previously held that a fundamental right to privacy did not exist. The judgment. In a unanimous decision, the 9 judges declared that privacy is indeed a fundamental right. Intrinsic to life and liberty, the court held that the right to privacy is not a standalone right but an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21. It also exists as a natural right that is essential to human dignity and freedom. Overruling past precedents. The judgment explicitly overruled the previous rulings in the MP. Sharma and Kharak Singh cases, stating that they were based on a narrow interpretation of the Constitution. Threefold test. The court clarified that the right to privacy is not absolute and can be subject to reasonable restrictions by the state. Any such restriction must meet a 3-part test. Legality. There must be a specific, valid law that permits the invasion of privacy. Legitimate state aim. The law must serve a legitimate and justifiable purpose for the state. Proportionality. The action taken must be proportionate to the objective it seeks to achieve, with a rational nexus between the means and the ends. Impact and significance. The Puttaswamy judgment has had a profound impact on Indian jurisprudence and public policy. It established a strong constitutional basis for protecting individual autonomy, dignity, and personal space in an increasingly digital world. The ruling has influenced subsequent landmark judgments, including the decriminalization of consensual same-sex relations in Navtej Singh Johar vs. Union of India, 2018, where the court recognized that the right to privacy includes the right to make personal choices regarding one's sexual orientation. The invalidation of criminal adultery laws in Joseph Shine vs. Union of India, 2018, where the court recognized that a person's private life, including marital relations, should be free from state interference. The judgment also underscored the need for a robust data protection framework in India, paving the way for the development of legislation like the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023.